Hello, welcome to day 2 of AP Bio Online. I hope that you guys got your CER done last night and you get it turned in to me. If the Canvas isn't working, I'm doing this like a week before. I'll have you turn it in through email. It's not that big of a deal, but make sure you get it to me no matter what. So, looking at the CER here, I want to talk a little bit about some things that I hope you saw. So you saw this table here. You saw that there was 4 different pools. They're all different kind of types. You saw turbidity down below. It tells you what turbidity is. Sorry, it's the cloudiness of the haziness of a fluid. So closer it is to 0, the more clear it is. The higher it is, the more dense it is, the less light that gets through. So you can probably see like pool 1 is obviously pretty dense with stuff or solute, like mud and stuff like that, that makes the water very dark and hard for the light to get through. You can also see how many predatory fish are there. You can also see how many guppies are there and what the guppies look like. So the original question, if we look back all in the beginning, was what caused these trends in the coloration of guppies? So why are the guppies different colors in different spots? Why is this pool 1 got bright males and a lot of drab males, and why does pool 4 have a lot of bright males and very few drab males? One of the first things that always comes up is people look at the turbidity, and that's not a bad answer, but that's not actually the right answer. That's not why we believe that there are more bright males in one spot than the other. The real answer has a lot to do with the next page. The next page shows you where these pools are: pool 1, pool 2, pool 3, pool 4. Also on this page, it talks about a little bit about natural selection, but the pool locations are important. And if you come back up here, you'll see where they are right here and the explanation here. So it kind of just gives you an idea how far away they are from the river. The other big thing that goes along with this is this type right here. So this is something that's mostly overlooked. You can see we're going further up the river. You can see in pool 4, we're actually above a waterfall. And so there's actually guppies above this waterfall. That's one of the reasons why there's no predators. Predators can't get up the waterfall, or they've never lived above the waterfall at any point. And so the best answer is the guppies are, or they have bright colors, or their trends, the bright color as you go up the pool number is because there is less predators, and being bright allows you to attract more females or something along those lines. There's a lot of different things built into this. It's not just as simple as the turbidity. So there's a lot of different pieces of evidence that you kind of have to connect together. And that's what biology is all about. It's about taking a question, finding an answer, but you're going to find in bio that it's not as simple as 2 equals 1 plus x, x equals 1. It's not as simple as that. There's multiple different factors that play into every single question, because as you guys know in life, it's not a simple thing. There's a lot of things that are going on. And so therefore, when we do these, we're going to do a lot of CERs. I want you guys to think. I want you guys to expand what you think could be going on and actually truly question yourself on what is going on. What you'll also get, hopefully, out of this is you guys wrote a argumentative essay, and this is actually something you'll do in English class this year as seniors, or in an AP class, is a lot of argument papers. So you guys had to make a claim. You had to give data, and you had to give your reasoning. That's a solid way to make any paper happen. And so a lot of times in English class, you get stuck in this 5-paragraph formation where you get like an introduction, you get some evidences, and then you get your conclusion. That looks a lot like this, except you can kind of play with it a little bit more. You can have the introduction, your claim, go a little bit into your claim, and then a couple of the argumentative paragraphs, and then you can do a conclusion, which is your reasoning and stuff like that. Here, you just had to do 1 paragraph. So if you just wrote 1 paragraph and you just heard that and you're like, holy crap, I didn't write a paper, that's fine. I just wanted 1 quick little paragraph that had all these things in it. Okay, so you turn that in. Hopefully you also did the whiteboard here. This was just on a piece of paper. I just wanted you guys to write out your thoughts and your feelings. realistically, like I said, there's a couple different answers. You could have went turbidity, not the greatest answer. I've had other people go with the amount of predators. Well, then you kind of have to explain why are the predators not there. So we got to keep looking. Like, you can't just answer a question with a solution that creates even more and more questions. So saying that there's no predators there, well, yeah, but why? Why is there no predators there? Is it because of turbidity? Is it because of the waterfalls? Is it because of temperature in the water? A bunch of different things. Obviously, this one was a little bit more simple. So I hope that this kind of made sense. We're going to keep practicing CERs. This is not the only time we're going to do it. I just wanted you guys to get a brief explanation of how this works. So hope that helped. Talk to you guys later.